Hi friend, in this video we will see how we can improve the quality of audio in OBS recording. If you are a beginner, you might have faced this issue that the quality of audio is not that good in OBS recording. Okay, so we will see the couple of the settings that we can use in order to improve the quality of audio. Okay, if you are a beginner and you don't know much about OBS, then I would recommend you to refer the videos that I have given in the description of this video. Those videos will let you know the detail about OBS software, what it is, how to install, how to download, and some other information about OBS. Okay, so let us start. Let me add an audio source. Okay, now you can see in audio mixture section the audio input capture source is here. There are couple of more sources like desktop audio and mic aux audio source. Okay, now if you notice here, even if I don't even if I'm not speaking, it is still fluctuating. Okay, I was silent but still it was fluctuating. It is because of some background noise like your computer fan or something else is happening. Because of that there is some fluctuation in this, so we will have to fix this. Okay, so we will see how we can fix this. So first thing that we have to do in improving the quality of audio is to right click on your audio source. Whatever audio source you are using, just right click on that, go inside the filter. Now if you click on the plus icon, there are different type of filters. These filters has some functionalities. Okay, let me use these filters, then we will see what these filters are. Okay, we have to use compressor filter. Click OK. Let's use its default values. Then use expander filter. Then use limiter filter, noise gate, noise suppression. Okay, uh, move down the limiter filter on the bottom and expander filter just before the limiter filter. Okay, let us see about these filters. Let's search OBS filters. Then you can open this wiki link. Here you can see audio device filters. Click on this, and here we can get the detail about different filters. Compressor filter. In short, a compressor makes loud sounds quieter and typically would be placed at or near the beginning of your filter chain. Okay, you can read more about this filter on this page itself. And expander filter. An expander can be used to reduce background noise such as computer fans, mouse, keyboard clicks, breathing, and unwanted mouth noises. Okay. In short, an expander makes quiet sounds quieter and typically would be placed near the end of your filter chain after any compressor or other effects, but before a limiter. So this should be the second last filter just before the limiter filter. And you can also see the detail about limiter filter. When using a limiter, it should be the last filter in your chain. Noise gate is actually allows you to cut off all background noise while you are not talking. This is quite useful if there are loudy background noise when you are recording, so you can use this filter. Noise suppression is for removing mild background noise. Okay, so you can read more about these filters here. So let us go on this. So once you have added all these filters, if you notice now here on the audio input capture source, the fluctuation will not happen if I don't speak. So let's notice this. Okay, when I was not speaking, the fluctuation was not happening. This is because we just added noise suppression and noise gate filter, which basically removes your background noise. Okay, once you added all these filters and you cross-checked that the limiter filter is the last one and expander is the second last, then click close. Okay, this was the first thing that you have to do. The second thing I would recommend, if you are not using other audio sources like desktop audio or mic aux audio sources, then I would recommend you to exclude these sources. For that, click on the settings, go inside the audio, then disable that. Click apply, click OK. Now you can see those audio sources are excluded. Okay, this was the second thing that you have to do. The third thing you have to notice is when you are speaking, this fluctuation should not go in the red line. Okay, if it is going there, then there will be distortion in your voice. If it is going, then you can decrease using this pointer like this. Okay, decrease this and then notice if it is still going or not. If it's not going, then you can put that pointer at that place. Okay, so these were a couple of the settings that you can try, and I am sure once you apply these settings, there will definitely be improvement in your audio quality. If you still face problem in your audio, then I would recommend you to use any audio editor like Audacity or any other editor to improve the quality. But for that, first you have to extract the audio from your recorded video and then improve the quality using the audio editor, and then again include that improved audio in your video. All these things can be done using audio editor and video editor softwares. Okay, so that's all about this video. If you like the video, please click on the like button and also subscribe the channel as well. Thank you for watching the video.